Welcome back students. Today I'll be teaching you how to make two or more triangles in a series. So earlier I have taught you how to make a triangle. Now with the help of a loop I'll teach you how to make more than one triangle. So it's very simple. So directly we'll start. So we'll click on event, and when clicked, after this you know very well that pen command is not available, so we have to go here, add extension, and from here we have to select pen. Now as you know that whenever we are making anything, so the previous things, it is still displayed on the screen. Just to erase that, I'll use erase all command, pen down, because this command will only help me to draw wherever my sprite moves. Now after this I'll be using repeat command. So here is the repeat command because triangle is of 3 sides, so I'll be using this. So my main focus is that firstly I should make a single triangle, so I'll type here 3, and then here I want to use motion block. Under motion block I have to use move 100 steps. If you are finding any problem in this tutorial because I'm going a little faster, you can always go back to my tutorial where I have taught how to make a triangle. Now here I want to use this turn command under motion block, so I'll be using this. Now this command is over. So let's see, I'll just run this command and make it to 90 because I have to turn this on 120 degrees, so I'll just turn it to 120 degrees. Now I'll run this command. You could see my triangle is ready. Now just to make it colorful, simply I have to add one more command, change pen color. So change pen color by 10, I'll use this, and here I'll make it to 40. Now if I'll these are all my commands. Now if I'll run this command now, so my triangle is ready. Now to make a series of triangles so that it should give a look of a hill, what can I do? This repeat command, I have to duplicate it. Again I have to duplicate it, and somehow I need that this sprite should go from this position to this position, so it's easy to make a next triangle. So this is the simple logic. I have to move somehow here, and then when it will make a new triangle, it's easy for it. So how to do that? I'll just use motion, and from here I'll use again move. So you see here this line is of 100 because my sprite has moved 100 steps, so that I'll move myself 100 steps. After moving to 100 steps, what it will do, my sprite from this position to go this position, and then again I'll repeat this. So let's check it. So you could see already my two triangles are being made. Okay, the logic is very simple. Again I'll just play it. So my two triangles are ready. The same way, the same thing, I can duplicate it. These are all my commands. From here I'll duplicate, place it at the bottom. Just you could see here my 3 triangles are ready. So I hope this is clear to you. One thing more I can do, because whenever I'm making this to run my program, my sprite moves in front. So next time if I'll do, again it is moving in front. So I can fix the place of my sprite. So I can go to motion block, and in motion block I can select here X position and Y position. So you could, yes, this is the X position. So how to set the X position? Firstly, I'll just take my sprite to the position where I want from the starting. So I'll just take my sprite here. I'll just select here go to X. So I'll just place it here, and in the starting here I'll place it. So now whenever I'll run this sprite, you could see here, again I'll run, again it will go like this. So what this command has done, go to X, because it is taking my sprite to minus 180x and Y minus 121. So again, now this time you could see here, it has gone to X20 minus 121. If I'm moving it here and there, you could see here, it is changing the position. So I have changed the position, and always it will start from the starting. So I hope the concept is clear. So I'll close my tutorial here only, and I hope it is clear to you. Still, if anything is not clear, you can comment. So till then, bye.